Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create barbell chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to create barbell chart in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click Chart option. And we can see here are many charts. We select the XY scatter. Then here are many barbell chart. We select a barbell chart. Then click OK. Now we can see here we create a barbell chart. Now we want to change the style, layout and color in this barbell chart. Click the barbell chart, then go to the design menu. Then select the style drop down menu, then apply another style. You can change the color of this chart. Click the colors drop down menu, then choose another color. You can change the style or layout. Change the layout of this layout drop down menu. You can edit this data of this chart. Click right button on our mouse, then go to the edit data option. Now we can see here opened a data sheet. Now we want to change the data sheet. Select the text and write another. Now we can see here we create barbell chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.